Hello, this is Winx presenting COLT. I will show you how COLT would help you in your game development. Let's start COLT and set up source to source libraries and assets. Then choose target and hit compile, and we have COLT started. Now we are adding a background to our game. As we are adding a background, we see there is an error. After fixing an error, we can see almost immediately the background. Let's add a waterfall, the texture, and the waterfall is there. Now position the waterfall. Let's start now the animation. Seems animation is a bit fast, so let's add a lower value for the frame rate, 8 frames maybe, or maybe even lower, 6. Now let's add clouds, and static cloud, which would be a movie clip, or not movie clip, image, because it's static. Let's correct the texture name, and we are seeing the cloud. Now position the cloud. Let another cloud, which would be a moving cloud. Adding the texture and the limits of positioning, random positioning and moving. Set up moving speed. We're adding a meta tags, which makes functions to be live. That means if they're updated, changes are applied to the Swift very fast. Let's add the code that would move the cloud. Oh, it's too fast. Let's slow it down. As we do the changes, we are seeing that the change are applied and cloud is much slower. Let's add another cloud, which would be smaller, about 50% decrease. Now we can see both clouds. Let's add the turtle now. Also, this class would be live, and we're adding a meta tag to the tick function, so we can make changes. Adding direction and boundaries of movement left to right. Adding the texture. Now we're setting also the setter to be able to be updated live. Now we will change the value of the texture and see what would happen on the Swift. See the Michael Jackson move of the turtle. Now we will play with the range of movement and speed of turtle. Now we would add Mario character. Also it would be live class, because we want to tickle with the class and the methods. We will define meta tags to the methods we want to change in live. It's Mario, adding the texture and positioning, and Hola Mario is there. Now initialize the Mario. Let's add the boundaries, which would reinitialize if Mario got out of them. Now adding the gravity, and we are seeing that Mario is dropping down, looping, so we need to add some extra code that would handle the collision and stop Mario from looping. Now Mario is okay. Let's add some user interaction. Adding key left for moving left, moving character left and right, and we can test immediately. And also adjust. Let's add the running animation now, so character don't look like it's sliding. There is some error somewhere. Nail the bug and continue. You can see the running animation, and now the facing of the character. Okay, facing is correct now. Add the jumping capability, adding the velocity value to 10. Okay, I need to add, if not already jumping. Adding more velocity. Let's add functionality of collision with the turtle, setting the velocity to -25 and adding the stump function. Stump time about 2 seconds. If stump time, decrease the stump time in tick, and also make the turtle accept hits. Okay, let's try now. And we can see that stump function works. Let's change the velocity so we can bounce more and not fall in water. Let's change delta x. Okay, let's now connect character to our tools and show how the tools would help in live concept testing. We can change the scheme of tools on file. Let's now try our tool for adjustment of bouncing, and we can change with changing of input live. Our tool give us a new presentation of Mario movement in time. We can also change or test some new idea which were not planned at start. Like, let's make character moves upside down. We need to change the collision function a bit. And everything can be seen live. COLT support multi-device targeting. We can target the web or iOS or Android, and all changes would be synchronized to all of the devices as they are changed in editor. Also, designer can make a change to assets in time and everything will be synchronized to all of the devices. Thanks.